Happy birthday, 50 years old. Happy birthday, 50 years old. Half a century, a life well lived. A heart so full with so much to give. Treasured moments, memories so dear. Celebrating you as we all cheer. Happy birthday, 50 years old.
Hello guys! So, Ate May, surprise! Happy 5-0 birthday! Happy birthday! Surprise ka ba? So, you deserve it. I wish we were there, but I hope yung mga surprises namin sa'yo nagustuhan mo. Okay, I love you. Happy birthday, sister. Bye! 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, May! Sorry, got a poem.
Link has
We want to greet you on this special day, even though you're far away. We're thinking of you with smiles and cheer, wishing you joy from over here. Though miles in time keep us apart, you're always close within our heart. We hope your day is filled with cheer, with laughter, joy, and those held dear. So celebrate and know we care, even though we can't be there. In our hearts, where memories stay, we wish you happy birthday, May.
Oh, that's sweet. Thank you, hon. Mando?
Happy birthday. Love you. Miss you. Thank you for all you've done for this family and for all of us. You deserve the best day and the best years to come. Happy birthday.
Ate, happy birthday. Enjoy your 50th birthday. Yes, it's a big number. I want you to know how special you are to me. Of course, I don't want to cry. And I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you for being a good sister to me. Thank you for all your advice. And you and Ate Grace, you're a great sister to me. And of course, Bong. And I wish you all the best. And you deserve it. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Hi, Manong. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday na darating. At para mapagsilbo mo pa yung pamilya mo at sa iba. Sana marami pang darating na birthday mo.
Hi, Madam. Happy birthday. And God bless you. Na-surprise ka, no? Talagang ganyan. Kasi ganyan ang 50. Pero mukhang hindi ka naman 50. Happy birthday again. Love you, miss you. May surprise sa'yo talaga si Annabel kasi marami ka raw nagagawa. Marami, sabi ko nga, nakakatuwa ka naman, Annabel. Binigyan mo ng surprise si ate mo. Kasi kawawa naman siya, hindi nagbe-birthday. Saka marami siyang hirap din. Kaya, salamat kay Annabel. At nabigyan tayo ng surprise. Ako rin na-surprise sa cellphone. Ngayon, ikaw naman ang na-surprise. Good luck. And happiness. Yeah.
Hi Mami, happy 50th birthday po and wish ko lang na lagi ka pong safe and lagi ka pong healthy and sana dumami po yung blessing na makuha nyo and ingat ka po lagi.
Hi Mommy, this is your favorite anak. So I just want to say happiest 50th birthday and to many more birthdays to come. I want to take this time to thank you for all your sacrifices and hard work that you have done for our family. And I just want to say that you are truly an inspiring woman and you are my #1 role model. I love you!
Hi Ninang! Happy birthday to us! Siyempre 21 na tayo. Magpapakabait na kasi big girls na tayo. Tigil na kakagala. Ikaw, lagi kang gumagala. Alis ka ng alis. Na joke lang. Thank you sa lahat, honestly. Kasi ikaw yung point of contact naming lahat dito. Kaya, like, literally, we wouldn't be here without you. And we know na, you know, we can trust you. Kahit anong mangyari, you're always there for us. Simula pa ng bata ako, naalala ko si mommy talaga, like, lagi siyang pumupunta sa'yo. And I can see why, kasi you really are a very trustworthy person. Tapos, sobrang responsible mo. So, hoping to be like you one day. And, ayun, enjoy. Sana andyan kami ngayon ni Daddy. Ang daya. Kung kailan masaya na yung celebration, saka kami wala ni Dad. Kami nga sa bahay lang. Na joke lang. Hopefully, makauwi na kami soon. Kasi miss na namin kayong lahat. And, ayun nga, Ninang. Enjoy lang. You deserve this day of rest and enjoyment. Okay. Bye, guys. I love you. Love you, Ninang. Mwah.
Happy 50th birthday, Malong. Happy golden years. Ito na yung starting point na dapat ay mag-focus na sa physical health at lalong-lalo na sa spiritual health. Okay? So, enjoy your day and bawas-bawasan ng mga stress. Spy lagi para walang kulubot. Bye, guys.
Tales of your journey told.